Tara!
A new adventure is waiting. I'm ready. Let's go.
Today, we will meet a boy.
What will we learn?
This is Sam's village.
It looks beautiful.
Sam, I want to tell you something.
Wait! Let me tell my story first.
Please listen first.
I already know.
He doesn't listen.
Listening is very important.
Oh, my name is Tara.
Hi. Let me tell you everything about me.
I wanted to say,
I know. Let me finish.
I have many toys. I have a pet. I won a race.
And yesterday
May I say something?
Oh, yes.
My teacher once told me,
I know that story. Sam, good listeners make good friends. Really?
can you try one thing? When someone speaks, listen to them carefully and then reply.
I can try.
Excellent!
Grandma, I want to listen. Thank you, Sam. When I was young, I had a wise teacher. She listened to everyone before speaking.
Tell me more, grandmother.
Listening is a gift. It tells people you matter.
Grandma,
I'm sorry I never listened. Now I will always listen first.
Could you help me carry this basket?
Of course, grandmother. My pleasure.
Thank you for listening or becoming a wonderful listener.
thank you, Grandma.
Sam is changing.
Listening opens hearts. Our lesson is complete.
Let's go home. Today we learned that listening shows love and respect. Don't miss our next magical adventure.
And change your day.
Keep learning. Every story makes your English stronger. Every day is a chance to learn.
And every mistake is a chance to improve.
See you in our next adventure.
Never stop turning the page.